This topic very useful for the beginners who are learning the Python. The topic is called packages in Python with a practical demonstration in Python ideally. The previous session I explained what is function and everything, how to use the function with some examples, and later I told about what is model and how to access the model like calendar, etc. Today we go to the packages because one of the part and the continuous of the models here. So what is package? Today just see what is package and how to create and access packages in in Python like that. What is package? A package is basically a directory with Python files. And moreover you can say packages are a way of structuring Python's model namespace by using dotted model names. So when I go the example you can understand. So for this one there are two steps are important. If you want to create a package in Python, first we have to create a directory and give it a package name or directory name, both are same, preferably related to its operation. Then we put the classes and the required function in it. So example, so what you are going to do, I am going to create a my package where I am going to write two files called multiply.py for multiplication operation and another file called different file called sum.py for add than two numbers. So I am going to show here. So as usual you know how to enter everything. So I already opened the Python environment here. I told you we are going to open a directory. In directory we are going to open in desktop. In desktop I am going to create a new folder called mypack. Folder, directory or package are almost same. Mypack. So under mypack I am going to do the small two programs. Cancel, no problem. So I am going to open the notepad. So you know Python is one of the very important language and very useful and easiest language where you can do a number of programs and save. So first file I am going to do as a multiply. To multiply function I am going to write a just simple function, define multiply of x comma y, return x multiplies return x multiplies x y, copy, say, paste. Okay, so I am going to save as here under mypack. Keep in mind that I am going to save this one file, save as multiply it to take automatically as Python files under in the desktop my package folder. Okay, this one. Okay, this is the one I saved. Then you can go another one that is called sum.py. I already mentioned, so I mentioned here sum.py. So just add the function called definition order of x comma y, then return of x plus y. So again copy and notepad, open the new file. Then I just paste here. Then I go to save as sum.py, sum in under desktop mypack. Okay. So we successfully created two files, two models under the mypack package. So there are two files like that. You can add a factorial number, you want print your name and etc. You can do number of functions simply. Okay, these are two. Now what you have to do is if you want to implement the package, you have to import all the models in together. That so for that reason what you have to do is you can create a overall file called package demo.py. Okay, in package demo I have to write this line. First line, import mypack dot, the file name is what model name is multiply, and one more import mypack dot sum. There are two models I am going to connect. So I have to combine here. So I can give mypack dot sum y. Then I have to write the operation here. The give values that is multi is equal to mypack dot multiply 100 comma 10, print multiplication of 110 is what, comma percentage multi. So as you know already, input output sum. Similarly, sum operation I give mypack dot sum dot add up 10 20 comma 10. So at the dynamic said one of the dynamic program language, whenever you want you can change the values in the pack demo.py. So now the last step, and after this pack demo.py you can run the program successfully. So whenever you want you can change 20 or 30 anything. So the output, what kind of output you get means we have to get the answer for the multipliers of 2 number and also addition of 2 numbers. Okay, let's go and start. I'm going to create a new file called package demo.py. So I'm going to copy everything. So it's a simple coding. So you know already import is a keyword to import the files or modules here wherever you want. Copy. So not only functions, you can create classes also in the package concept. So I just going to paste. Okay, so I have to give the name as package demo. You can give any name, no issue. Save as package demo. Pack demo. Wait 1 second. Cancel. Wait. What file I'm given? Pack demo.py. So just you can go pack demo enough. It will be called as a Python file. Save as pack demo. And I can save, just want to save in the desktop only, so it automatically Python file. Okay, so like this we can add number of models. Now the thing is we can run the program and check the answer. So we are getting error. Okay, we have successfully created the multiplication of 100 is 100, that is 1. Okay, sorry, some small mistake here I have done. That's what I getting error. Okay, where the file name is sum, where I given someone here. Okay, so don't bother about this small mistake. Sorry for that one. Okay, sorry for that one. So we can save. Now I can run. Yes, we have successfully created a package. Keep in mind that what is package I told, how to create a package and access means we can create a folder called mypack. In the mypack we can add the functions like that, multiplication of number, sum of number. If you want I can add factorial of number, Fibonacci in the series, anything you can do. So for example, the understanding purpose I made only 2 files. So after completing the files multiply.py and sum.py, what I done means after that I create a common file that is called pack demo.py. That is the one where I can do all the coding here. That's very important. So here in the PPT are showing. So you have to import what is the package you created. The package name is mypack. That you have to give, no spelling mistakes. So mypack.multiply. Then another one to import sum. So I am giving import space mypack.sum like that. So here also I am correcting. So this is a way like that you can do. You can number of modules, how many numbers modules you can add in the pack demo.py like that. And also runtime. I am again, do you have, if you have doubt means I am changing a value here. So runtime you can change the value here. Instead of 100 I am giving just 10, and here I want to add instead of 20 I want to add 30. So keep in mind that we have to add here only. So not printf state, not only printf. I want to add 30 comma 30 and 20. That answer is 50. So here also I just reduce 0 here, and whenever do changes you have to press Ctrl plus R, Ctrl S R, save. So now I again run. Okay, so now we got a multiplication of answer is 10, and finally sum of 30 and 20 is called 50 like that. Okay, this is a way you can easily understand and work practical lesson in the creation of modules and packages in Python. Thank you for watching the video. Please subscribe, update, and wait for please subscribe and wait for updates. Thank you.